Hey YouTube, today I will show you how to replace key fob battery for Subaru. Now this key fob is a standard for I think 2018 or 2019 model all the way up until now. Company recommends using a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. First you press this button and pull the manual key out. It's a little hard. Oh, there you go. So pull the key out. Now I would recommend to use the flathead screwdriver, but our goal is to pry open the key using this gap right here, this L-shaped gap. So this end of the L shape. So basically you just wanna try to open this up. I mean, I would like to use the flathead screwdriver. It's very fast and easy. Just put it in there, open it up, done. It's very easy. It should not be hard at all. It will pop open and that's your key. So again, close the same way. This gap right here, you need to use this and you need to pry this open. So just twist it. You don't need to put a lot of work. And that's your battery. It's 2032. This number right here. So it's not just me who would like to use the flathead screwdriver. Company also recommends using a flathead screwdriver. This is from the manual. Insert a flathead screwdriver like I showed. Use the positive side on the top. Replace the battery and close the cover. Alright, so we're just gonna pop out the battery. So use the gap here. This is gonna be, it's better to use the tools for this thing. There you go. Take the new battery, 2032 again, and slide it in. It's good. This is where the buttons are. The buttons will face down. It doesn't need to be exact because once you close it, it will secure it in a place. And sometimes this part right here, it comes off, so make sure to put it back. And then you take the cover and slide it back in and press it from all sides. It will secure make sure there are no gaps. You might wonder, when would you get the notification to change the battery, or how do you know to change the battery? Generally the driver's screen, the screen behind the steering wheel, would notify your car battery is low, and replace it, key fob battery. So you replace the battery, or you think the signal is weak when you're locking the door, touching the door handles. Any other situation, if the response is slow, that's also an indication that you need to change the battery. It took me about 2 years, 2 years or 3 years to replace the battery. So depending on your use, how often you use it, how you use it, but yeah, that's what it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.